us wants good health, and so people really have the urge to put an eye on their health status every single minute. So everyone is looking for a smartwatch. So in today's video, we are going to review Haylou Smartwatch LS02. Haylou is a sister company of Xiaomi. This second version smartwatch has 12 sports mode on the basis of the previous generation, like outdoor running, walking, cycling, mountain climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, free training, gymnastics, basketball, football and rowing. In the package, you will get a smartwatch, watch strap, charging cable and a user manual. It monitors your heart rate all the day long and has 20 days standby time. It is IP68 dustproof and waterproof with breathable silicone strap, intimate sleep butler, high definition 1.4 inches large touch screen and has Bluetooth 5.0. LS02 is equipped with a low power optical heart rate sensor to observe your heart rate changes in real time. Sleep monitoring can identify and record your sleep status and duration, and allowing you to pay more attention to a healthier life. This Haylou Smartwatch 2 has multiple reminder functions. No matter how busy you are at your work, you can always be reminded. Just lift your wrist to review and operate. As compared with the previous generation, this smartwatch 2 has been upgraded with Bluetooth 5.0, so the signal strength is stable and smooth and low energy consumption. After connecting with the mobile phone, it will receive mobile phone information reminders and call reminders on the watch, which is really great. Charging this smartwatch is quite simple. You just have to bring the charger a bit closer to the pogo pins and it starts consuming energy. So put on the watch and move it about 1 finger distance from your carapace. Just adjust tightness of watch band to fit yourself, as too loose of the band may impact the performance of heart rate sensor. And to link your phone with the watch, just hold function button to power on the watch and QR code will be displayed. Now use your phone to scan the QR code to install the app and here you go. So this is it for this video. We avail a special link of the watch in the description below. This is Devya from Tegonity Studio. See you soon on a very new video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.